We'll start in purple. That's different. All right, you had to figure out what the blank is. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and then you are left with 1/3. This one was a little hard because their blank was on the wrong side. So you could have counted up, or you could have done 1 and 1/6 minus 2/6 to figure it out. I can't subtract 1, so I'm going to have to borrow. That's 0. If I add 6/6 plus 1, I would get 7/6. 7/6 minus 2/6 would give me 5/6. 4 minus 2 I can do, but I can't minus 1 from 5. So I'm going to borrow, and I'm going to add 12/12 to this, which would make this 13/12. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 13 minus 5, so 3, 4, 5 would be 7/12. Wait a second. 8/12. There we go. That sounds better. Add that to my list of mistakes. 8/12. Now we have to figure out what's missing in here. We had 7 and 1/5. And we're going to subtract 2 and 4/5. You kind of had to work backwards for this one. I can't subtract 1 from 4, so I'm going to borrow. This is 6. I'm going to add 5/5 to 1, which would make that 6/5. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. And I'm going to keep my denominator.